Centrifugal filters are a type of filtration equipment that uses centrifugal force to separate solid particles from liquids. Centrifugal filters do not require any filter consumables, which is a great advantage. Conventional filters require the use of filter MED such as filter paper and cloth, which become dirty over time and need to be replaced periodically, which increases operating costs. Centrifugal filters, on the other hand, do not require the replacement of filter consumables, and therefore have lower operating costs. Centrifugal filters are capable of removing fine solid particles from liquids, which reduces wear and tear in the liquid. In the machining, metal cutting and other industries, the liquid often contains a large number of fine particles. These particles will cause wear and tear on mechanical equipment, shortening the service life of the equipment. The use of centrifugal filters can remove the fine particles in the liquid, reduce wear and tear, and extend the service life of the equipment. Centrifugal filter is purely physical filtration, does not change the chemical properties of the liquid.